मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
नमस्कार 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 नमस्कार। Now calling attention to the matter of urgent public importance, Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Not there? Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. To call the attention of the Minister of Law and Justice to the reported move of the Election Commission to facilitate voting by non-resident Indians in the future elections in the country through either proxy voting or e-postal ballot and the risks involved therein.
हाँ, माननीय डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब, इससे पहले कि मैं इस विषय पे चर्चा करूंगा, सिर्फ 1 सेकंड में लेना चाहता हूं। जो इससे पहले बात हुई, अभी 12 बजे तक 1 बजे तक हाउस नहीं चला, यहाँ हमारे साथियों ने समर्थन किया जो विषय आनंद शर्मा जी ने उठाया था, इसमें बहस नहीं करूंगा, खाली एक I just underline one.
Call the attention of the minister.
Unless sir I don't underline, the house will again be adjourned for the day, so I'm just trying to cut short so that there's a smooth functioning of the house. तो बात हो रही थी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, हम उनका आदर करते हैं।
See that there is a rule. No. I have given a ruling on that. Now I cannot.
Sir, I am
given a no. That is against the rule.
I am not going to say even a single word against Prime Minister. I am just asking that there have been some mention.
Honorable Leader of Opposition, just bear with me. The point is, this issue was raised in the morning. I heard, and I gave a ruling disallowing the discussion. Now, if you discuss it again,
I am not having the discussion at all. I am not having discussion at all. And that's why I said in the beginning, I will not take more than half a minute. That there was a mention by Honorable Leader of the House targeting Mr. Sharad Yadav and leftists that in your time you also did something against the government or against the previous prime ministers. The question is, they are in a position, they were in a position, they have been saying nobody is going to stop anybody to speak against the Congress leaders. We have never stopped them insofar as long as they are speaking within the Indian territory. We were only just talking about no less than the Honorable Prime Minister speaking from a foreign soil. But they were most unfortunate that Honorable Leader of the House is who's a very educated, very respected. We all respect him, but he targeted them.
Start the discussion on that again.
He targeted them. I just wanted to tell the House that they were not the Prime Ministers, and they didn't go on the foreign soil to oppose Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi or for that matter Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is us just want to flag this.
Ghulam Nabi Azad, please. Okay.
Honorable Deputy Chairman sir,
I have a point of order.
Bye-bye.
You have given your ruling.
Your own leader is raising the issue.
A point of order I can still raise, sir. So my
Okay,
point of
okay.
order.
What is under what
My
rule?
point of order is
Under what
about statement by a minister. The leader of the house. Yes, I have the rule book. Don't worry.
No, please.
Are you the chair?
What is the point of order? Tell me.
So the point of order is regarding under the rules, statement made by a minister. Now, the leader of the house is also the finance minister of the country.
Yeah.
He has made a statement which is factually incorrect, because none of the leaders of the Communist Party or the Socialist Party traveled abroad as the Prime Ministers of India.
So do one thing.
So that, I'm sorry, in this house has been misled and a wrong statement has been made. So minister should come and take that statement back. He targeted the opposition leaders today.
That is not the,
Sir,
that is not the way.
not fair.
Saraji, Saraji,
Sir, Deputy Chairman, sir.
no please, if a minister has made a statement, wrong statement, or whether a minister has made a statement, that cannot be decided like this. If you are convinced that the minister has made a wrong statement, there is provision in the rule, give a notice, it will be examined, and a proper decision will be taken. You cannot say minister has made the wrong statement unless the minister also agrees with that it is a wrong statement. So you give a notice. So Mr. Anand Sharma, you can give a notice. There are two provisions. Number one, there is a rule by which a minister is expected to correct. You can ask for correction. Or there are other provisions also by which a minister can be, will be forced to explain. So you go by the rules by raising it now. Now please, let us, Saraji, let us start the call attention. Call attention के लिए
आपको आपसे निवेदन करना तो जरूरी है ना, इतनी बड़ी बात हो जाए और फिर कुछ ना कहें। ये मेरा निवेदन है कि अरुण जेटली जी का हमारा वास्ता बड़ी दोस्ती है, हम बड़ी इज्जत उनकी करते हैं, लेकिन आज उनने जो बात कही वो अपोजिशन लीडर है, उन्होंने जो बात लीडर ऑफ द हाउस है, उन्होंने जो आज बयान किया अंत में, उसमें एक बात बड़ी भारी की मुद्दा ऐसा था कि उसको उन्होंने कह दिया कि सोशलिस्ट पार्टी के लोग तो हमारे यहाँ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं, मधुदंडवते थे, जॉर्ज थे, मुलायम सिंह जी थे, हम थे, देश के बाहर हम इमरजेंसी में गए थे, लेकिन इमरजेंसी में जाने के दौरान और कोई हमारी बहुत किसी जिम्मेदारी या संस्था के लोग नहीं थे, ना मिनिस्टर थे ना प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे। वही बात, इसलिए उन्होंने बहुत होशियारी से जो बहस है उसको जैसा डाइल्यूट किया है, यानी उसको डाइल्यूट भी कर दिया और हास्यास्पद बना दिया। तो मेरा ये कहना कि आपकी रूलिंग 100% सही है, उससे मेरा कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, लेकिन इतना जरूर मैं निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि जो स्थिति और जो परिस्थिति है उसको सही परिप्रेक्ष्य में रख दें। वो ये है कि हम इस देश में काफी युद्धरत लोग हैं, आज जो लोग नहीं हैं यहाँ, हम लोग भी उन्हीं के पीछे चलने वाले लोग हैं, लेकिन जो बात उन्होंने कही है तो वो हमारे पुराने जानकार, उन्होंने बात सही कही है कि हमने इमरजेंसी के दौरान ये काम किया था, लेकिन हम कोई संस्था नहीं थे, न मिनिस्टर थे न थे, हम तो 4 बार मिनिस्टर रहे, लेकिन हमने ये काम बाहर जाकर नहीं किया। मैं इतना ही इसको संशोधन करना चाहता हूँ, और कुछ मेरा कहना नहीं है, इतना ही मैं कि ये रिकॉर्ड पे आ जाए, यही बात कहना था मुझे, और कोई बात नहीं कहना।
No discussion on this. Raja, your name is here for.
We have the right to respond.
No, but
Leader of the opposition has taken up the right. No, sir, listen to me, sir. Listen for a minute.
Raja,
Listen to me, sir. It is Prime Minister or it is Minister. Whenever they go abroad, they should see the India's image is preserved and protected. Nothing should be said
Okay, now,
which sullies
Ghulam
the
Nabi
name
Azad,
of India as a nation. We communicate. 1 second, Ghulam Nabi.
Baba, you are
Sir,
saying,
we
you
communicate.
only 1 hour for.
No, we don't travel,
You are
but we
taking that
never say
time.
anything which sullies the image of India's name.
No,
And-
that is over,
That's
discuss.
what I'm saying. I make it very clear on the floor of the
I
House.
see, morning I disallowed further discussion.
And-
And also I told if you want, you can give notice. There is provision in the rule book.
No, we
Without a
communists
notice, you are
never did.
discussing, no?
We never,
not that question.
we as communists never
The question is
did.
that leader of the house made certain comments
Say, for that,
which amounts
for that also
as
you invoke
extortion,
rules. I will,
which amounts to
You want me to
extortion,
tell
which
what
is not
rule?
based on fact.
that
So
is correct.
that needs
Yes.
to be clearly
If
corrected.
Mr. Taban, you
That
are
is
a,
what is that,
you are a,
asking, that
you
is
are a
what
seasoned
we
member. You are a seasoned member, Raja.
We
You are a
never stood for
Suniye.
not,
No.
we are fighting
You,
against this kind.
Taban and Raja are very experienced members.
Projecting India
You listen to me.
before him as can
Sit down.
India is an offense
Tabanji.
done by the institution. That is what is the point of control.
See, the point, Tamanji, listen to me also. No, that is what I am saying. Yes, the same thing I am saying, if a minister has made an incorrect statement, there is a way to correct it. There is rule in the rule book. Do it. I have no problem. Yes, minister can be asked to correct. It has been done here. You can do that if it is done. But I am not here to judge whether it is a wrong statement or right statement now.
Painting India prior to him
No.
as
Sir,
can
that's what we
India.
are saying.
So that is the offense committed to the nation.
Okay, now let us
That
start.
is the